We'll guide you through how to download and install the Lunar client. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. The Lunar client is a launcher for Minecraft, so what we can do is go and get it to go and use. What's super important to know is you need to go and own Minecraft. So you probably already do if you're watching this video, but yeah, you need to have gone and purchased it in order to go and use it. So make sure this full guide is we're going to guide you through how you can go and download it and install it and get started with using it. We're going to guide you through this. So to go and get started, what we can do is we can go and quit out of Minecraft just like so. Now what we can do is go and close the launcher as well. What we're going to need to do is go and open up a web browser. So we'll go and do that now. Just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. There'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. If you're looking to go and start playing with your friends on Minecraft or just other people, you can go and do it with Apex Hosting. The great thing about Apex Hosting is the server is always going to go and be online, so you can go and join it whenever. If you go and host it yourself, you have to keep your computer running, use your resources and your internet, which isn't ideal. So with Apex, they can go and host it for you and they'll go and give you support for their 24/7 live chat. So go and continue with the guide though. What we then need to do is go and type in Lunar client. The official site is here, lunarclient.com. So what we can do is we can come here and you can start reading about it. To go and get it though, we need to come to the top right and you can go and press download and we can go and see the different systems, Windows, Mac and Linux. Of course, you can go to the bottom, I'm using Windows. So we can go and press Windows. So you can go and press download on Windows. Then the client is going to download. It's been blocked for some reason. I've had it before, it's safe, so we can click on it and press download and verified file. Now what we need to do is go and open up your file explorer. So open it up and you can press downloads to the left. Here you can then go and find the installer at the top. So you can go and double click on it. Then it should go and pop up. The bottom left, you can go and choose the language and we can press next. You can see the installation folder. Now you can go and accept the terms of use and privacy policy. I've read these before and confirm you're at least 18 years old. I am, so we can press next, read this through, and if you do, press accept and install. Now it's going to go and download and install. You can go and see that there. Here we are, it's now opened up. So you can go and see the different options on the right here, which is really cool. Boosted frames, cosmetics and emotes, countless mods and multi-version. What we can then do is go and press login with a Microsoft account. Now it's important to note that you need to log in with a Microsoft account where you go and own Minecraft. So let me go and log in now. After you've successfully gone and signed in, you can go and see your account in the top right here. Just to give you a quick run through of using Lunar, what you can do is in the top left, you've got the main launchpad. You can see some different things here. Over to the left, you can go and look at the different versions. In the top left, you can go and switch between Lunar, mod packs, Badline, and Vanilla. You can add profiles in the top right and see different versions here as well. And you can go and change it in the bottom right, as well as switch add-ons. You've also got the Explore, which can be cool for browsing different mods, mod packs, and more. You can go and look at the servers, and you've got satellite, news, and the store as well. So I can come to versions. I could choose Lunar 26, for example. With that selected, I can come to the bottom right and press launch game. And I can then click in my taskbar and here we are. So we're now playing it. You can go and see the different things that come with Lunar at the bottom here. And of course you can go into single player or multiplayer and go and start using it.